everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to create a very easy and yet very glammed up look for this coming festive season, but I want to create a look that will be easy for all the beginners also to follow. So I am just going to use very basic steps. So first of all, I'm going to brush off my eyebrows by using this eyebrow mascara from Forever 52. It gives a little tint as well as it will fill in without any sort of efforts. And after that, I'm just cleaning up the eyebrow by giving it a little crisp and sharp sort of effect. And after that, I am going to use that peach shade on the entire lid as well as to the outer crease. I'm going to use one shade only, and after that, this is optional. Even if you don't want to apply any sort of shimmer shade, you can totally skip it. But if you want to give a little bit of that shimmer to your lid, you can go ahead with this one shade that you just applied for the matte, and you can go in the same color family. So I went with the peach only. So after that, I just used liner, mascara and the kajal from Forever 52, and no, it is not a sponsored video. And after that, I'm going to use two shades from concealer from the Forever 52 range only. So one is 03 and another one is 01. So 03 is a bit yellow, so I'm using that as a corrector, and 01 is a very light shade which I am going to use it as a highlighter. So I am just going to blend it nicely so that I have a nice coverage, because I'm not going to use any sort of foundation for this look. I want to keep it very simple, very minimal and very skin like. And after that, I'm just using this compact from MAC. This is like one product. If you want to buy one product from this entire video, I will definitely recommend that you should definitely go ahead and check out the MAC Studio Fix compact powder. And after that, I'm using a blush, because obviously if you are a beginner, you don't know how to contour or anything like that, and I don't want to confuse as well. So I'm just using a very peachy sort of color bar blush. And after that, I'm completing my eye look by using the same shade on my lower bottom lash line and using the Forever 52 highlighter. This is again optional, you can totally skip it. And going to line my lips, and as you all know, I love using nude lip liners, so I'm just gonna use it that. And after that, I'm using this Boss shade from Smashbox, because I'm keeping it everything very low key. I just want a little bit of brightness by using this very bright color. So with this, I finished this look. I completed this look by using I just wore some jewelry and little bindi, and I just straightened my hair, not very sleek straight, but just a wavy straight sort of thing. I loved how it turned out. I just I can totally see myself wearing this in this festive season, because it's very, very effortless, yet it is so glamorous. And I hope you guys will love it too. And if you guys did, and if you want to create this look, and if you do, don't forget to tag me in your videos or your pictures. So until then, bye.